Students, today we will learn voice active and passive. Active voice. Let's take one example. Arushi teaches Rahul. Arushi is subject here, teaches verb, and Rahul is object. Now passive form. Rahul is taught by Arushi. Here Rahul is subject receiving the action, is be verb, taught past participle form of verb, by, and object is Arushi now. In passive form, a transitive verb is made up of verb be with a past participle. Very important. So remember this thing. The object of the action verb becomes a subject of the passive verb. I repeat, the object of the active verb becomes the subject of the passive verb. For example, a doctor prescribes medicines. Now object medicines became the subject. Medicines are prescribed by a doctor. Convert active voice to passive voice. There are very important 5 steps. Let's discuss. First is identify, second swap, third convert, fourth add, helping verb, and fifth is add preposition by. Now first is identify. Identify subject, object and verb. Then swap subject and object. Convert V to V3. Basic root form of the verb will change into past participle form. Then add helping verb before main verb. Add preposition by before subject. I repeat, identify, swap, convert, add helping verb and add preposition. While changing subject, which is a pronoun to object, I will change into me, he will change into him, she will change into her, we will change into us, they will change into them. Now let's take examples. Simple present tense. He writes a letter. Now identify subject, verb and object. Then swap subject and object. A letter will here now subject is helping verb, written past participle form of the verb, add by and him. Now the sentence is a letter is written by him. Simple past tense. He wrote a letter, subject, verb, object. A letter was written by him. Simple future tense. She will accept the offer. Here subject, verb and object. Object will change it to subject. The offer will be helping verb, accepted, V3, add by and her. The offer will be accepted by her. Now come to continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Javed is making a cake. Here ing is there, so in place of ing we have to add being. A cake is being made by Javed. Past continuous tense. Sarah was singing a song. A song was being sung by Sarah. Let me repeat. A song, object will change into subject, was helping verb, ing being, sing will change into sung, add by and Sarah. A song was being sung by Sarah. Now present perfect tense. In perfect tense we have to add been. I have eaten a burger. A burger has been eaten by me. Past perfect tense. Jay had finished homework. Homework had been finished by Jay. Let me repeat again. Homework, object will change into subject. Homework had helping verb, been for perfect tense. Finished past participle is same, finished, and by, add by preposition, J. Homework had been finished by J. Now future perfect tense. I will have charged the battery. Subject, verb and object. The battery will have been charged by me. I hope you understood. Thank you so much.